Hi, I'm Aileen and I'm a content creator and entrepreneur at Lavendaire. I make videos on personal growth and lifestyle design, and today I'm going to show you how to use motion graphics templates in Adobe Premiere Pro and the new media replacement feature. Motion graphics templates, aka MOGRTs, are really great to level up your content. So they help you create eye-catching animated titles, and there's a lot of customizable features in Adobe Premiere Pro itself. Overall, it's just a great way to bring up the quality of your video and engage viewers, which is so important on social media. All right, let's get into it. All right, so here I am in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first thing I'm gonna do is head to the graphics panel, and this is where you can search for MOGRTs. So I'm gonna look for anything using the new media replacement feature. So to do that, I'm gonna type in replacement. And these are basically some of our options. I like this one called minimal gradient video overlay. So I'm just gonna drag it into my sequence. So if you use this playhead and you scroll, you can kind of get a preview for what this template looks like. And anything with these shapes showing, that shows you where your clips can go, and that's kind of where you can replace your clips whenever you want without changing everything else about the template. So you click this in the sequence and the essential graphics panel will open up. So this is where you customize everything you can with the template, and this is what gets really fun. Over here it says placeholder image. I'm gonna upload my own clip here. So it's super easy. All you do is drag and drop. So here I have some clips prepared. I'm gonna drag and drop outdoor clips. So these are scenes of me with Togi just playing fetch outside. Next, I'm going to customize this template to my liking, to something that fits the Lavendaire brand a little bit more. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just update the background color a little bit. Basically, all templates have different controls, so depending on what template you use, my best advice is to just play with everything, okay? So here I'm gonna type in some generic text for Lavendaire. Let's put create your dream life. I'm gonna pick my font, Branding Grotesque, and you can resize it here. Okay, so I've edited the fonts. Here I can play with the sizing of this video. So I'm gonna, I like this. You can make it either vertical or wide. I'm gonna go with wide. Crop height, I'll leave it at that. Okay, wavy line controls. You can edit the opacity of these lines. Let's do that. And next we're gonna move on to color controls. Pastel colors is what makes the Lavendaire brand. I'm just gonna go a little bit more pastel with all of these colors. And this is where you just edit the opacity of the colors. I'm just gonna leave it around here in the middle. I think the colors are pretty cute. I like this. Okay, cute. Another thing I want to show you is how easy it is to replace this clip. You literally just drag and drop. So this is the current clip that I'm using, but if I want to change the clip, say I'm making another video and this is the title animation for my videos, I can just change the clip and everything else stays the same. I could just update the text if I want, but yeah, it's pretty easy. All you do is drag and drop. So this new sequence is me journaling. If I want to shorten it, all I have to do is drag this. Let's do it like around 7 seconds. And then your motion graphics template automatically retimes everything so that all of the animations and effects fit within the 7 seconds. And that's what's really cool, is you can retime it so easily. That is motion graphics templates with the new media replacement feature. I hope you enjoyed that. See you next time.